Hello and welcome to Advances in Perspective. In this video, we're going to be discussing the top 5 UAVs that made an impact in the Afghanistan war. Unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, have revolutionized the way we wage war and gather intelligence, and these 5 UAVs are no exception. They played a crucial role in the Afghanistan war, providing real-time surveillance, reconnaissance, and strike capabilities to the troops on the ground. MQ-1 Predator. The MQ-1 Predator is a long-endurance, medium-altitude UAV that was used extensively in the Afghanistan war. It was equipped with a suite of sensors, including a high-resolution camera, infrared, and synthetic aperture radar, that allowed it to provide real-time intelligence and reconnaissance to the troops on the ground. The Predator's ability to fly for up to 24 hours at a time made it an indispensable tool in the war effort. One of the most notable uses of the Predator was in the hunt for Osama bin Laden. The UAV's intelligence gathering capabilities allowed the U.S. military to monitor and track the al-Qaeda leader's movements, leading to his eventual capture and killing in 2011. MQ-9 Reaper. The MQ-9 Reaper is a larger and more capable successor to the MQ-1 Predator. It was used in the Afghanistan war for both reconnaissance and strike missions. The Reaper was equipped with a wider range of weapons, including Hellfire missiles and guided bombs, making it a powerful tool in the war effort. In addition to its intelligence-gathering capabilities, the Reaper was also used for targeted killings of high-value targets in Afghanistan. Its ability to fly at high altitudes and remain undetected made it an ideal platform for these types of missions. The Reaper's success in the Afghanistan war cemented its place as one of the most important UAVs in the U.S. military's arsenal. RQ-7 Shadow. The RQ-7 Shadow is a small, tactical UAV that was used extensively in the Afghanistan war. It was designed to provide real-time intelligence to small unit commanders on the ground, and its small size made it ideal for use in the rugged and challenging terrain of Afghanistan. The Shadow's ability to fly for up to 5 hours at a time and provide real-time video and imagery made it a valuable asset in the war effort. It was used to gather intelligence on enemy movements and positions, and its small size made it difficult for the enemy to detect and shoot down. The Shadow remains a key part of the U.S. military's UAV fleet. RQ-21 Blackjack. The RQ-21 Blackjack is a small, tactical UAV that was developed for the U.S. military's Special Operations Forces. It was used in the Afghanistan war for reconnaissance and surveillance missions, and its ability to fly for up to 15 hours at a time made it a valuable asset in the war effort. The Blackjack's small size and modular design made it easy to transport and deploy in the field, and its intelligence-gathering capabilities allowed the U.S. military to gather critical intelligence on enemy movements and activities. The Blackjack's success in the Afghanistan war cemented its place as one of the most important UAVs in the U.S. military's arsenal. RQ-170 Sentinel. The RQ-170 Sentinel is a stealth UAV that was developed by the U.S. Air Force and is widely considered as one of the most advanced drones in the world. It was first used in the Afghanistan war and quickly gained a reputation for its stealth capabilities and high-tech sensors. The Sentinel was specifically designed to gather intelligence and conduct reconnaissance missions, and it was the first drone to be used to track down Osama bin Laden. One of the key features of the RQ-170 Sentinel is its stealth design, which allows it to evade detection by radar systems. The drone is made from radar-absorbing materials and has a low observable profile that makes it difficult to spot from the ground. The Sentinel's sensors are also state-of-the-art, including high-resolution cameras and advanced signals intelligence equipment that allows it to gather valuable intelligence from the battlefield. The Sentinel has been praised for its ability to fly over hostile territories undetected and for its ability to provide valuable intelligence to ground troops. The RQ-170 Sentinel has been widely used in the Afghanistan war and has proven to be a valuable asset to the U.S. military. The drone's stealth capabilities and high-tech sensors have allowed it to gather valuable intelligence that has helped the U.S. military to make informed decisions and to stay ahead of their enemies. The Sentinel's success in the Afghanistan war has proven that UAVs are a crucial tool in modern warfare and have demonstrated the importance of having advanced technology in the military. That's it, folks. These are the top 5 UAVs that have played a major role in the Afghanistan war. These drones have revolutionized the way wars are fought, making them safer and more efficient. They have proven to be a crucial tool in the fight against terrorism and have saved countless lives. In conclusion, the use of UAVs in the Afghanistan war has been a game changer, and it's exciting to see what the future holds in terms of military technology. Don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button to never miss an episode of Advances in Perspective. Thanks for watching.